Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How's life today?
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Miss. Good afternoon.
I hope you are always in a good condition, even maybe the weather in your house same like my hometown. In my house is rainy now and so dark, cloudy. Yeah, so I hope you still keep your health. Don't drink ice too much because it's cold. Yeah? And one more time, happy Heroes Day. Yeah, some still wear the uniform for soldier. Yeah. So Isham, do you feel happy today because today is the Hero Day? Isham, do you feel happy? Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you, Isham. You are still wearing the costume. And then for Bara, what do you do for Heroes Day today?
I do upacara in my school.
Ceremony?
Yes.
Flag ceremony? Oh, that's good. You do
Me
flag
too.
ceremony in the school. And then do you upload the, I mean like your photo with the background, I mean like the writing of Heroes Day like that? Do you do that on your social media? Do you
No.
post any photo about Heroes Day?
No, Miss.
Sarah? No, just doing flag ceremony. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then Diba, what do you do today for Heroes Day?
As usual.
What?
As usual.
As usual. What is that? Flag ceremony?
No.
No. Oh, nothing to do.
Seems like
Maybe your teacher asked you to draw about hero. I mean, one of the heroes of Indonesian, and no.
Maybe later. Maybe later.
Oh,
I have
maybe
competition.
later.
Maybe.
But your school is free for today, Diba?
No.
No.
Yes.
So you still study?
Yes.
Online or offline?
Online.
Oh, online. Okay. Thank you, Diba. And Kla, what do you do for Heroes Day today?
Nothing.
Nothing. But your school is free or not?
My school is not free. Learn like the usually one, but we just like but my teacher is like setiap masuk sekolah itu membahas sejarah dulu.
Oh, every
And
meeting.
like sejarahnya kemerdekaan Indonesia because
History
this is like
of
Heroes Day.
the history of Indonesian. Okay, thank you, Bila. Kla. And then now is Bila. What do you
I'm
do?
not Bila.
Yeah, sorry. Because I see Bila, so I call you Bila. Bila, what do you do for Heroes Day?
Nothing.
Nothing. There is no homework from your teacher to make something or to draw something about
No. That is.
So how's your school? Free or not?
I'm not going to school.
Oh,
Not free. My school
not
is
free.
not.
Oh, you are still at home because your condition? Ah, okay. So your parents doesn't permit you to go to school first, yeah, Bila?
Yes.
Okay, Bila.
Maybe tomorrow we'll go to school.
Or maybe tomorrow. Okay, thank you, Bila. And Fanya. Hey, Fanya, what do you do for Heroes Day?
Nothing.
You do nothing? Oh my God. So maybe your teacher asks you to make something or draw something maybe? Or tell something about Heroes Day? No?
No. It
So,
may just like read some story
oh,
about.
read some story in your I mean in your school ya lah.
Yep.
For
I'm
Fanya,
just tired.
did did you study? Do you study for today, Fanya?
Yes, I go
Yes.
to school.
Oh, you go to school. So, did your teacher tell you about Heroes Day today? No? Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes. But a
Yes.
moment.
Just a story.
Oh, just okay. So funny. Oh my God, so cute, Fanya. Thank you. So maybe the teacher is only telling about Heroes Day a moment, yeah, not making something, not celebrating,
By the
yeah,
way, Miss,
not doing
Fanya
ceremony, like
headset is
ceremony,
same.
yeah. What?
The headset is same.
Oh yeah, the headset is same like you, yeah. Thank you. And now, Agnes. Hello, Agnes. Good afternoon. Agnes, do you hear me, Agnes? I don't hear you, Agnes. Okay. Agnes, today is Heroes Day. So what do you do from school?
I just do my homework at school.
Oh, you only do your homework? Oh my God. Did your teacher tell you about Heroes Day?
Yes.
Oh, telling story about Heroes Day from your teacher?
No, just tell.
Just telling story. Okay. Thank you, Agnes. And then Isham. Did you do flag ceremony like Bara?
Yeah.
Oh, you do flag ceremony in the school?
Hey.
Yeah.
No.
No? Oh, online. Okay. So what
Me
time do you
online too, Miss. Online. Me online.
you do online too, Bara?
Yes.
Are you wearing
Yo.
like Isham? I mean
No, I wearing pramuka.
uniform. Oh, Scott uniform. Okay, that's good.
Yo.
Scott yo. Yo. Okay. So Isham, after doing flag ceremony, you still study or you get free from school? Isham. Oh, Baratu?
Me study again.
Oh, you you continue studying. Oh my God. Makes me hurt. Okay, that's okay, Bara. Just enjoy, yeah. Just enjoy. Okay, guys, thank you very much for your story about Heroes Day. The main point, don't forget, hero is not always like Indonesian. I mean, like the history of Indonesian, but hero, it comes from our family too, our teacher, yeah. They are a hero too for our life, yeah. Don't forget about it. Thank you so much. And now we are going to study for the next lesson. Do you know what lesson for today?
No.
No or yes?
No.
Okay, Fanya doesn't know. Who knows?
Me too.
Often
I don't know.
Okay, you don't know. Kla, you know?
I don't know.
I know.
Diba.
I can contact Miss. I can
Bila
contact from my
answers too.
mom.
Okay. How?
How often do you exercise?
Yeah. How often do you exercise? What is the meaning
Not
how
often.
often? Bara, do you know?
Seberapa sering?
Do that.
Seberapa
I'm not often
sering?
to do that.
Yeah, Bara, that's
I'm not
correct.
often to do that.
Seberapa sering? how many times. It means how.
I'm not often to do that, Miss.
Okay, maybe it's talking about having sport, so you have to do, yeah, minimally once a week. Yeah, once a week, every weekend,
No,
or
I'm
twice a
not.
week. Yeah, you're not, Cla?
No, I just like dance.
Oh, you just like dance. It's okay.
I don't have
The main point,
to like.
you can move your body. Yeah, you can move your body. Okay, this one is the chapter for today. Can you see Diba and friends?
Yes.
Yes, I
Yes,
can see.
okay.
Yes, I can.
Now for the
Miss.
first,
Yes.
yeah. How
Yes, I
often
can.
do you exercise? Learn how to talk about how often you do something. So how often do you eat? How often do you study? How often do you play? How often do you watch? Yeah, everything. Now,
Miss,
yeah, who calls me?
I'm wearing I'm wearing my t-shirt from the school.
Uh-huh.
This is for exercise.
Oh, that's a t-shirt for sport. Can you stand up? I think it's that, I mean, like daily clothes. Okay, JPS. Is that your school? The name of your school? JPS?
Yes, John Paul School.
Thank you. So
Speak
I
English.
wanna ask to you, this is a challenge again. I want you to tell me the score like usual, 6 to 10. Yeah, 6 to 10. You have to tell me completely.
So no one get one.
No one. The lower score is 6.
Miss, did your student ever get 6
Nobody?
in here?
Nobody?
In here,
Nobody.
nobody. Before
The lower
we,
is
before
the
we.
lower is 7. Lower is 7.
So no one get lower.
Yeah, maybe the lower is 8. I never give my student, but if my student cannot speak up, like silent, and then it's so hard to speak up, and they cannot, they don't understand about the word, the meaning of how to say pagi. What? So I'm so sorry, I have to give 6 or under 6. Yeah, so you have to speak up, you have to be active. Okay, wait a moment. Number 1, how often do you study at home? Yeah. And then number 2, how often do you take a bath? Okay. Number 3, how often do you wait, have sport? Yeah.
Answer in the chat box or
Speak up. Speak up. Number 4, how often do you?
Too many.
No. It's not too many because it's only answering my question, Fanya. It's not writing, yeah. So you just see my question and then answer it, yeah. And number 4, how often do you eat? How often do you eat? Number 5, how often do you hang out? Do you know hang out?
pergi keluar,
Family. Okay, hang out is like
jalan-jalan,
Nongkrong.
jalan-jalan.
go around go around with your family? How often? So all of this,
What about with friends? What about with
Never
friends?
again.
with family or with friend, I think not all has a friend. I mean, not all has a friend.
I often
mean, like
go.
near with
I mean,
you.
like hang out with friends.
Yeah. Okay, is it clear, guys?
I don't know.
Is it clear, my question?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, last one.
Yes.
How often do you play gadget? Okay.
I often
I
play
never-
that, but just like 1 hour.
Never again.
Okay, remember,
play
number
that.
1, it means that in one day, in a day. Yeah. So how often do you study at home in a day? Yeah. And then number 2, in a day too.
In one day. In one day.
Yeah, in a day. And then have sport in a week. Yeah, in a week. And then how often do you eat? Of course, in a day. Yeah. And then how often do you hang out with your family? Of course, in a week.
In the evening.
Okay, and then how often do you play gadget in a day? So, who wants to ask me for number 1?
Me.
Bara, okay, Bara, please. Number 1.
How often do you study at home?
I study twice at home.
Twice in a day.
Twice a day. I study at 7 a.m.
So,
Yeah,
wow.
or 10 a.m. And the next one, I study, for the second one, I study at 7 p.m. too. So all is 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. Because I still do online school, yeah. I'm a university student, so I still study at my house, still doing online. That's my activity to study. So number 2, who wants to ask me?
Me.
Okay, Vanya, please.
Me.
Yeah, wait a moment.
How, how often do you take a bath?
Okay. Of course, normally as a human, and good for our body, I always take a bath twice a day. Yeah.
Twice a day?
Twice a day.
What is that? What is that mean?
For the first one, I take a bath at around 11.
Morning.
11.
Huh? Oh, lama.
Yeah. Wait a moment. 11, because I have to do many things in my house, like doing sport, like yeah, everything about, yeah, at household, yeah, as household, you know household? Ibu rumah tangga, as household.
Oh.
Yeah,
Yeah,
like sweeping the floor, like cooking, like everything.
But ibu rumah tangga is house or a husband.
Yeah. Okay. So the second one, I take a bath at 5.
6 p.m.
No, 5. So now I still don't take a bath yet, guys.
Ew!
Be honest. You too, right, Fanya? You too, right? You don't take a bath, right?
No.
No. No,
Yeah.
I already take a
No, I'm not
bath.
take a bath. I just like usually I take a bath at 6 p.m. or 5 p.m.
Same.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, 6
Okay,
p.m. I
5. I take a bath at 5 p.m. Yeah. After this,
lama.
maybe 2
In
hours
the
again,
afternoon,
an hour
miss, it's
again.
like usually one, but in the morning one, it's not usually. It's not like
Mm.
the normal people.
Okay,
Miss,
so
it's a
that's
mess.
talking
But
about.
you same like my mom is.
Miss,
Yes,
Take a bath at
Fanya.
like half past
Miss,
10, half past
this morning I
11.
go to school. Please silent. I can't
already-
hear.
Wait. Okay, enough. If you wanna tell after this, so there is a time to you to tell about your activity. So you have to ask me one by one. Fanya is done, Bara is done. Number 3, who wants to ask me?
Me.
Me, Mora.
Okay, wait. Agnes first. Agnes, please.
How
Number 3.
often do you have sport?
Okay, I
Yes.
like it. Actually, I do sport every day, not like in a week, 3 times or 4 times. No. I try for myself to have sport, to have sport twice in a day. Twice in a day, not twice in a week. So I do sport at maybe around 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. 9 a.m. And the second one, I do sport at 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. too, before I go to sleep. I try to make myself to be good and healthy. Yeah, that's about sport. Yeah, doing sport. Thank you for Agnes for your question. And then number 4, Cla.
Me.
Yeah.
How often do you eat? Okay.
How often do I eat? Okay, that's a good question. You know, because I have a chubby cheeks. I mean, like, do I have a chubby cheek, guys? Can you see?
No.
Am I fat?
Not really.
Not really,
No.
because you only know my. I mean, like, just a half my body.
Yeah. Can you just like
Feel-
stand up?
Stand up, miss.
No.
No, he can't.
No, wait.
Yeah, stand up, miss.
Stand up, stand up,
No,
stand
wait.
Stand up.
Wait. You
Yes,
will
can I read the
you will be shocked if you see my body.
That's okay.
No, it's okay.
promise. It's normally.
Okay. Hey, this is recording, guys. This is recording. I'm afraid it will be upload in YouTube. Okay, not now. Okay, not now. Okay, silent. So
Okay,
that's my
after this
wait.
class, stop record and you show your
Maybe
body.
for the last meeting, I will show full my body. Okay, on the last meeting, yeah. But I don't
Miss,
record
I'm
it.
kidding
I
we
don't
are.
record it. Okay. And the next, oh
Miss,
yeah, I eat twice.
Miss,
in a
can I
day.
read the book?
I eat twice in a day. For the first is I eat at 12 or 1 p.m. And the second one I eat
It's
at
for
7
lunch or
p.m.
breakfast.
Yeah, I never eat breakfast, Agnes. I never eat breakfast. I only drink water or hot tea like that. Just enough for me. Okay, and number 5, Bila, please.
How often do you hang out with family?
Oh my God, hang out. Okay, I only once a week. I hang out with family only once a week. I mean every Saturday or every Sunday. Yeah, just normally. Thank you. And
Same
last
like
one,
me.
Diba.
Same
Yeah.
like me.
Oh, same like
Same
you.
like me.
Yeah.
Diba.
Miss, how often do you play gadget?
Oh! Oh my God. Every time.
Every day. Every
I cannot
time.
count. I
every
cannot count how
day.
many times, how often do I play gadget, guys. But don't follow me, okay? Don't follow me. It's not good for you. But I always check my homework from my lecture. Do you know lecture, guys? If in the school there is a teacher, but in a university there is a lecturer. Who?
Dosen.
Dosen. Yeah. So I have to check my WhatsApp group.
My aunt is
Yeah.
like a docent, like a lecturer. So I call it bow lecture.
Yeah, is there homework or not? Yeah, so I have to check my social media. I like to be a kepo person. You know kepo? I always see
knowing
my
every particular object.
yeah, I always see the status from my friend, my family. Yeah, I like that. I don't know why. So many times, yeah, I cannot count with my fingers how often do I play gadget. But for you, yeah, don't follow Miss Nia, okay? So you only play gadget maybe 3 times or twice in a day. It's enough.
Give me just 1
don't
hour,
play many
like
times.
1 hour plus.
Yeah, it's enough. 1 hour or 2 hours in a day.
Like 1 hour 30 minutes because first my eyes is like sensitive.
Okay, sensitive. Yeah. So guys, it's time for you, and I will give the number who is the first, who is the second to tell. And don't forget, I will give the score behind this challenge. Yeah.
Yes, make me the last one. Last one.
Why, Agnes? Why,
Because
Agnes?
I want to thinking.
Oh, you have to think. So I still give a time. I give a time for you to prepare about 6 questions. Yeah. And you can exercise. Yeah. You can exercise by yourself.
Can we use like because?
What, Cla?
Can we use like because blah 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 something like that?
Of course. So remember what I explained to
We
you. What I
have
answered
to
you
give
guys.
the reason.
No. The reason, like, how often do you study at school, at home? So you just say, I study twice in a day at 4 p.m. or at 7 a.m. like that. So you just tell the time or you just tell the day, yeah. And then how often do you take a bath? I take a bath 3 times in a day. At 7 a.m., at 12 p.m., and then at 5 p.m. So you just tell the time. Okay, do you get my point, Cla? Okay, I choose the handsome one here, Isham. After that, Bara.
So Isham is the handsome than Bara.
No. I said the handsome one here, Isam and Bara. I don't say Isam is the handsome one, yeah. Bara will be jealous. Bara, don't be jealous, okay?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, Isham, Bara, Bila, Fanya, Kla, and then
Miss, what, Miss? I permission to get my coffee.
what?
I'm permission to get my coffee.
Coffee?
Yeah.
Oh. You want to drink coffee? Oh my God. Like father. Okay. Number 1 is Isham. Are you
Miss,
ready?
it's usually I like to drink like susu, kopi susu. I mean like that.
Now, are you ready to answer, Isham?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Let's do for Isham. I want to ask you for the first one. Isham, how often do you study at home in a day?
7 a.m.
How often? How often? It's mean twice, 3 times, or once in a day?
3 or 2 times.
3 or?
2 times.
Okay. So once is sekali, twice, okay, yeah. If you wanna say once, twice, and then 3 times, so you can see here. What is once? What is twice? Yeah, you
4
can see.
times.
Yeah.
4
And then
times.
4, 5. So you can follow until the last. 4 times. So you can follow.
How often do you
Okay.
take a bath?
Okay.
Twice.
For Isham, how often do you take a bath, Isham?
Twice.
Twice. So Isham, can you answer completely like I take a bath twice in a day, like that?
I take a bath twice in a day.
What time is that? What time?
Morning and afternoon.
Morning and afternoon.
Morning
Thank
and
you. Number 3, how often do you have sport in a week? Once, not once. Once.
Once.
So when? When do you do?
Night.
Night?
I
At
play
night?
football. I play soccer.
Okay, at night, but you play soccer. Thank you. And number 4, how often do you eat in a day, Isham?
3 times.
3 times. So when?
Times in a day.
Yeah, when? The time.
Morning, afternoon, and evening.
Okay, normally, yeah, 3 times. Number 5, how
And
often?
night.
Yeah,
And night.
sleeping, yeah,
4
before
times.
sleeping.
4 times.
Oh my God. 4
Times.
times, okay. Before sleeping, yeah? You still hungry? Number 5, how often do you hang out with family in a week?
Once.
Once, not once, once. Yeah, once a week. When do you go? Saturday or Sunday, Isham?
Sunday.
Sunday. Okay. Last but not least,
Or
how often do you play gadget, Isham? In a day?
Once.
Once. Once in a
3
day?
times.
Once or
3
3 times? Oh, once or 3 times. So when? When do you play? Afternoon?
Afternoon, night, and evening.
Afternoon, night, and evening. Okay. So it's not in the morning, yeah, Isham?
In the morning, I'm online school. I'm
Oh,
Zoom.
yeah. So you study, yeah? Thank you, Isham. So I will give the score. I keep the score for you. I will show after this. Yeah. Thank you. The next is Bara. And prepare for Bila, yeah? Bara, please tell me about
Okay.
6 question from Miss Nia. 1, 2, 3, and start.
I study
Mhm.
every in one day one time in one day.
Once, not one time.
Yeah.
Once. Can you see
Once.
this writing?
Once in
Once.
okay.
Yeah.
Once.
I study once in a day.
I
Like
study once in one day.
that. Mhm. And then?
And I take a bath twice in one day.
Okay. Number 3.
And ah, okay. I do sport once in 1 week.
Oh,
1 week
once in a
every-
week.
Once.
Okay. Number 4.
Yes. So often I eat once in one day.
Once in a day. Are you sure?
Three times.
Hey, are you puasa?
No.
This is not Ramadan, Bara. Okay. The next one. 3 times, yeah. 3 times normally. Number 5.
Once I go to hang out with family once in 1 week.
Okay, once in a week. Thank you. The last one.
Bukan main.
Oh, my. Many times. Like Miss Nia,
Dari
many
pagi
times.
sampai
Bukan main.
morning until night. Bukan main.
It's mean many times, Bara. You cannot count.
Because I do online school. Bukan main.
Oh, yeah. That good reason, but behind that you play the game, right? So that's the reason. Because I study online, Miss, I have to open gadget. But the expectation is you play the game. Yeah, it's okay, but don't forget about your homework, ya, Bara. Thank you, Bara. I keep your score and see you on the last meeting. And the next, Bila, and prepare for Fanya, ya. Bila, please answer the question and start.
How often do you study at home? I study twice a day at 7 a.m. and 8 p.m.
Yeah.
How often do you take a bath? I always take a bath 3 times in a day at 2 times.
Twice.
Oh yeah, twice. Twice in a day at 6:30 and
I'm shocked, guys. 3 times in a day to take a bath. Oh, it's so stressed your
How
body.
often
Yeah.
do you have sport?
Okay.
How often do you have sport? I have sport 5 times in a week, start in 3 p.m. until 6 p.m.
Are you sure, Bila? 5 times?
Yes, because I have a swimming course. So.
Oh, okay. Continue, Bila.
How often do you eat? Like a normal humans, I eat 3 times in a week. In a day.
In a week. In a week. Oh my God.
Are you diet?
Are you diet? Okay, are you puasa?
At,
Okay, continue.
6 a.m., 12 p.m., and 6 p.m.
Okay.
How often do you hang out with family? Once a week, usually in Saturday on Sunday.
Oh, Saturday or Sunday. Last one.
How often do you play get? Maybe 2 or 3 times in a day.
Oh, 2 or 3 times. Okay, Bila, that's a good story. Thank you so much. I keep your score. The next one, Fanya. Prepare for Klaya after this. Fanya, where are you, Fanya?
La. I'm here.
Yeah. Fanya, please answer it and make it fast. 1, 2, 3.
How often do you study at home?
Mhm. Hey, why you are laughing? No.
3 times.
Twice?
3 times.
Oh, 3
in
times
a day.
in a day. Wow, so diligent.
How often do you take a bath?
Uh-huh.
I take a bath twice in a day.
Okay, twice in a day. Number 3.
How often do you have sport? Oh God,
Oh God.
I don't have sport.
Oh, oh my God.
I
Because you said that you like
I don't have
playing
sport.
bicycle.
Oh wow.
You said that you like playing bicycle, Fanya, every weekend. So it means that it is like having sport.
I play sport
Once, twice,
twice time,
not time.
twice
Only
time,
twice. Twice in a week.
twice in a week.
Yeah, that's number 4.
How often do you eat? I eat 4 times.
4 times. Wow. Do you know the words
I
from
love to
Indonesian?
eat. What do you eat?
I love to
What
eat.
do you eat?
Hey, wait. Do you still remember the words
Fanya,
from
what do you
Indonesian?
eat?
Kecil-kecil cabai rawit. Do you know that words?
No.
Oh my God. Fanya, you like to eat? Yeah, because of that. I
Yes.
mean, your cheeks like Miss Nia, yeah, charming.
No. Yeah, same like me, but I'm not like just 3 times breakfast.
You are a good eater.
Lunch, dinner.
Okay, number 5,
no,
Fanya,
number 5.
continue.
How often do you hang out with family? Once time.
Once, it's not time. Once. Once in a week.
Once in a week.
Oh. Okay.
Actually, I don't go anywhere.
Yeah, but sometimes, not always, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And then last one, number 6.
How often do you play gadget
Gadget.
in a day? Miss, like sesuai perjanjian Fanya it's like 2 hours, but she longer.
Okay. She didn't obey the rule.
Twice. Yeah. Twice time.
Twice. Uh-huh.
In a day.
Are you sure twice, not many times?
Fanya, you are many times. You are many
What are you doing,
times.
Fanya? Okay,
I like to
twice.
play.
Okay, yeah,
I like
twice.
to
Twice.
play then study.
Okay, yeah. Thank you, Vanya. Thank you, Vanya. I keep your score, and now Iskla prepare for Diba, ya. Okay, Kla, are you ready? In
Oh,
one.
Miss, I think my weather is going to rain.
Your weather?
Yes, my
Your
weather
weather?
is going to rain.
Yeah. So be careful, okay? Kla, are you ready, Kla? 1, 2, 3, and
yes.
start. Just answer it.
First, how often do you study at home? Okay, I study at home 3 times in a day or twice. First, if I get like exams, I will 3 times learn. If 2 times, I mean like twice, it's normal because I do an online school and doing my homework.
Okay. And the next one,
Um,
number 2?
I take a bath twice in a day.
Yeah, normal.
Yeah, normal, of course.
Mhm.
And then I just random choose sport in a week. Sometimes 2, sometimes 1, or like my sport. It's not like playing bicycle or something. I just like dance. Just
Mhm.
it's make me tired. It's already make me tired.
Yeah.
And then I eat 3 times in a day.
Yeah.
First breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Mhm.
I hang out with my family is like 1 time with my one
Lunch. It's
time
not
in a
one
week
time,
because
lunch. Lunch.
oh okay once in a week because my father is busy.
Mhm. Okay.
And then how often do you play gadget? I play gadget like 5 hours. First I have to do my like wait online school 2 hours, play
Mhm.
game 1 hours, and like have a course. So I'm like 4 hours, not 5 hours. Sorry.
Okay. Thank you very much for your
And
story, Kla. Enough, yeah, Kla. And now I call Diba. Last one is Agnes. Prepare for you, Agnes. After Diba, yeah. Please, Agnes, it's time for you.
Often do you study at home? I study at home twice in a day and every morning from Monday until Friday.
Yeah.
How often do you take a bath? I take a bath twice in a day, every morning and evening. How often do you have sport? I have sport every day now, but usually I do sport every Friday until Sunday. And how often do you eat? I eat 3 times in a day.
Normally, okay.
Yes. How often do you hang out with family? I hang out with my family 3 times a week, every Friday until Sunday.
3 times?
Yes,
Oh my God,
every week,
every week?
not
I
every
mean
day.
like Friday, Saturday, and Sunday?
No. Yeah,
Oh, so fun, guys. Diba always hang out 3 times in a week. Oh my God.
no,
Wow, wow, wow,
I
wow.
just like 2 times.
Wow, wow, wow.
I mean like twice. First with my family and
okay,
first
I
with my
hang out
friends
with
or
Yeah,
with just friends.
so fun, yeah, from Diba's family, yeah.
do you
And last one,
play
Diba,
gadget?
continue.
I play gadget 3 times in a day, but long.
Yeah, you can say many times. You can say many times. It's not 3 times, but many times, yeah, Diba. But the main point, you have to remember your homework, yeah. Thank you, Diba. I keep your score and wait after this. Last one, Agnes. Are you ready, Agnes?
Yes, I'm
I
ready.
just get A.
Okay, please answer it one by one.
How often do you study at home?
Mhm.
Maybe study twice or 3 times in day.
In a day, okay.
How often do you take a bath? Twice. I take a bath twice a day.
Mhm.
How often do you have sport? Usually, I have sport. I usually have sport
Once
in
or twice?
in Friday or Saturday or Sunday.
Oh, so it's once or twice in a week, Agnes?
Yes, yes, once or
Oh,
twice in a week.
oh, once or twice in a week. The next one, number 4.
How often do you eat? I have 3 times in a day.
Oh, you eat 3 times in a day, normal. Number 5.
How often do you hang out with family?
How
Once
often?
or twice or
Once or
3 times in a week.
twice. Oh, yeah. Thank
Or
you.
twice and or 3 times or
Oh,
3 times.
twice or 3 times. Same like Diba, yeah. Thank you. And then last one.
Diva is long.
How often do you play gadget? Yeah, maybe
Play gadget. How many times? How often?
1 hour, maybe.
Only an hour?
After,
I think it's not enough for
Same
us.
is like me, same.
after I do my
Only just like
homework.
1 hour.
Tang, tang, tang. For Bara, it's not enough for an hour. Yeah, Bara? I think it's not enough for an hour, guys. Yeah, maybe 2 hours
It's
or
not me.
24
me.
hours.
Like usually I'm not playing. Miss, you know what? Like I'm not playing gadget for 1 day. It's okay for me. Like
Oh,
because
is it?
usually I'm not
Okay.
playing my.
So you say it's okay to not play gadget in a day?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's not okay to not watch TV in the day. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Clara said yes. Yeah. The main point. We have
Not.
to,
I have to watch.
what? What, Clara?
I have to watch TV. I cannot
Yeah.
without TV.
So that's why you choose play. I mean, you choose watching TV than playing gadget. Yeah.
So if I play gadget, I'm so happy. It's like
Yeah, I know.
my
I know.
mom not allowed
Okay,
to
guys.
do that.
This is the result for your score. Bang, bang, bang.
Oh my God! Look at Diva. It's like
Okay. So for Diba, Baras, Diba, Agnes, Wow, Anya, and Hisham, because this is private score, you will show your score to your friend or not.
What is?
Will
What
you
did you
show
say?
the score to your friend or not?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, show.
yes.
Okay. So remember, I will give the highest score if your answer is very, very complete. Like you mention the time, you mention the reason, you mention where you go, you mention, yeah.
The time.
If you only mention like, I go with my family once a week, I have sport 3 times in a week, Just that, so your score is not, it's not really high, but yeah,
Miss, I'm
good,
not
but
gonna be the highest one. I'm not.
yeah. So let's see
I'm not.
what
That was
score
the
do you
time.
get. I choose Diba first.
I think Diba is the highest one.
Diba,
Diba is
okay.
the highest one.
Your score is dang, 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 dang. Okay, Diba, your score is dang. Okay, Diba.
Diba is the highest one. No. That's okay. I'm happy.
Almost, yeah, almost perfect, yeah, almost perfect.
GG.
And
GG.
Bara.
Yeah, GG.
Okay, your score is you 100. Hey, are you kidding me? The score is only 6 until 10. It's not 100. Okay, your score is Bara. Dang, dang, dang. Chang! Okay, congrats, Bara. Bila. Okay, Bila. Dang, dang, Bila, Bila, Bila. Okay, Bila. And the next one, Agnes. Agnes, your score, Agnes. I think it's same with someone, but I don't know. 1, 2, 3. Chan. Okay, that's your score, Agnes. And Cla.
Wow.
It's little bit same with someone again, but I don't know. Same like Bara, Diba, Agnes, or Bila, ya. I don't know. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, and go. Yeah. Okay, and the next one,
Who is the highest one, Miss?
Fanya.
Tan. Tan
Fanya.
is the
Wait,
highest.
wait. See until the last, okay?
Is
See
it Tanya the highest one?
Fanya. I think Fanya same like the other friend, but I don't know who. 1, 2, 3,
Itulah.
go. Fanya same like Bara. And last one, Isham.
What about Isha?
Isham same too. Like Bara or like Kla or like Agnes. Hey Bara, what are you doing? What picture is that?
The dinosaur. The dinosaur is fun.
Hey, Isham.
Hard
Isham. So the highest score is from Kla and Vila, 9.7.
Number 2 is me
But everyone is
and
good,
Diva.
Thank you so much, guys, for today.
Number
Do you feel that our study is long or short?
long.
It's so short.
Long.
Short.
Long.
Long. You are waiting
Very long.
yeah?
It's so short.
Tells about activity, so that's why you feel so long. But
It's already
so short.
16th. I mean like 16.
What are you doing, Bara?
What are you doing, Bara? Are you like
Dinosaur are fun.
Are you like a fart?
Uh,
Okay. Thank you so much for today, guys. And don't forget, okay? Don't forget, tomorrow, please prepare a paper and a pencil. Because I have to do a write test for you. Okay? Prepare a paper, a piece of paper, and
May I take a book? May I take a book?
Take a book or take a paper is okay, free. A pencil or a pen, yeah. Don't forget about it. We will do writing test for tomorrow.
An eraser.
Yeah, an eraser. So don't forget about it. And let's
will
take
you
a selfie.
Are you have a test for us?
What, Agnes?
Do you have a test for
Yeah,
us?
I have a test for you. Okay, Diba, what are you doing, Diba? Okay, in 1, 2, 3, and cheese. Thank you so much, guys. And telah saya wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oh, it's
What
dead.
are you doing, Diba?
Bye.
Bye, Miss. Bye.
Bye, Miss.